The Gridflex 10 attachment clamp can be paired with different types of roof attachments, which mechanically attach the system to the roof. Here we will outline the step-by-step process to mechanically attach Gridflex 10 to the roof using a FlashLock RM attachment. First, identify a module within the array that requires a mechanical attachment. Once the FlashLock RM is attached to the roof, use the Gridflex attachment clamp and strut to ensure the positioning between the strut, base rails, and attachment clamp are lined up. Remove the strut and secure the attachment clamp to the FlashLock RM. Place the strut over the base rails and attachment clamp and secure the strut to the base rails on both sides of the attachment. Once the strut is secured to the Gridflex 10 base rails, bring the adjustable component in the attachment clamp toward the strut and securely fasten it to the strut. After the connection between the attachment clamp and strut are secure, fasten the side bolts on both sides of the attachment clamp to fix it into place.